Everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this place, what we do here is that we solve mathematics question, okay? And today we are going to be solving number 7 question on change of solid formula. That is number 7. We have solved number 1 to number 6. I will drop the link below in the description on channel there. And if today is the first time, please can you do what? Subscribe, okay? Hit the like button, leave a comment, and tell us how you feel about this math. Okay, without wasting our time, let's go to our number 7 question. So our number 7 question says what is it? V square equals to U square plus what? 2AS. We should make express in terms of make X is the formula. That is the question. We should make X the formula. Okay, what I do now, I group them, grouping, leave 2ax to stay on its own because it's attached with x. So we have v square minus u square equals to 2as. What next? I'm going to divide both sides by what? By 2a. Divide both sides by 2a because I want to make s to stay on its own. So I'll eliminate 2a. So which means that v square minus u square over 2a equals to 2as over 2a. What happened? 2a divided 2a. I have what? X equals to what? V square minus u square over 2a. Okay, so I've gotten the what? This formula, which I will now what? Imply that find the value of x when u equals to 15, v equals to 20, and a equals to 5. So what will I do here now? I'm going to say s equals to v square is what? 20 is power 2 minus what? U is what? U is what? 15. 15 square all over what? 2 times what's my a? A is what? 5. Okay? So we continue by saying that s equals to 20 equals power 2 means what? 400 minus 15 is what? Means what? 225 over 2 times 5 is what? 10. Okay, so the next is what? Is 400 minus 225 is what? 175 over 400 minus 25 is what? Is 175 over what? 10. So what can divide 105 and 10 is 5. So 5 going to 175 many times is what? 35 times over 5 going to 10 many times is what? 2 times. So I can leave my answer this way, or if you're not good with this one, you want it in decimal form. 35 divided by 2 is what? 17.5. So this is my final answer. Okay, let me just make sure that I indicate it for us here, so I don't look as if you don't know what. Okay, good. Sorry for this. Okay, so which means 400 minus 25 over 10 is what? 175 over 10. So divide 175 by 5, you get that 5. Divide by 10 by 5, you get 2. So this is our final answer, or you can leave in decimal form. Okay, equals to q square root d over r, and we should make r is subject to the formula. So what I do here now is very simple. Okay, don't panic. It's very simple. What I do, take square of both sides. The reason why I'm taking square of both sides is because there's a square here. So for me to eliminate this square, I have to find this. There's a square root here, and for me to eliminate this square root here, I'm to find square. So if I'm to find square, the square will cancel this square root, but affect this place because the operation affects both sides. So k square, because the square of this k now, equals to q square root d over r square. So what I have here now, I have k. We can then say k square equals to square root is gone. So this square affects this q. Okay, this q. So yes, q square and d over r. The next is what? Cross multiply because multiplied. If you are still confused by this, what happens is that this square affect this one, which is Q square, and this square cancel the square root, which is D over R. This was also affected because the law said that whatever you are applying in the left hand side should also, the operation will also affect the right hand. That is why it's like that. Okay, so we have R K square equals to what? Q square D. So what happened? I'm to make R the sort of formula. I'll do what? Divide both sides. Divide both sides by K square, which means that R K square over K square equals to Q square D over what? K square. So K square cancel K square is gone. We have what? R equals to what? Q square D over K square. So this is what the equation we are going to use to substitute for K as 20, Q as 15, and D as 6. Okay, so we can then say our R equals to, it's too small, our R equals to Q square means what? 15 times 15, that's 15 raised power what? 2 multiplied by our D is what? D is 6 over our K square is what? Our K is 20. Our K is 20, which is what? 20 raised power 2. Okay, so which means that R equals to 15 times 15 is what? 225 multiplied by 6 over our 20 raised power 2 is what? 400, which means R equals to 225 multiplied by 6 is what? 1350. That's 1050 over 400. So what can divide 1350 and 400 is 10. 10 go into 1350 is what? How many times? Is 105 times over 400 divided by 10 is what? 40. So being that, you can either answer like this, or 135 divided by 40, I have what? 3.375. That is what you have. This is my final answer for number 8. So if today is the first time of watching our channel, you see that we guide students to improve in their mathematics. And also for number 1 to number 7, I will drop the link below. Please kindly do what? Subscribe, drop a comment, share. Okay, by so doing, you do what? You are encouraging us. See you in our next video for number 9. Bye bye for now.